Welcome guys, today I'm with the Metz TV and I'm gonna show you how you can enable and set up captions. So at the first we have to simply go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down and go for the device preferences, and right now scroll down another time to go for the accessibility. Next go for the captions. Click right here to turn it on, and as you can see right now in this place we get the preview of the captions. We are also able to change the language or for example change the text size. As you can see right now it looks different, right? Below we can also change the caption style. You can also pick your custom setup, so right here you can change a lot of things, like you can change the edge type, the transparency, the text color, the font. You can also show the background like this. That's a lot of things that you can customize. And yeah, that's all. That's how you can turn it on, and that's how you can customize this feature. So I'm gonna turn it off because honestly I don't need this feature to be enabled. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.